Good morning, guys. Welcome to my morning skincare routine, which I have been doing this winter months. All of you asked me in Instagram to share it with you, so I'm doing the exact same. But before that, do take a moment to share, subscribe, and follow me in this channel. And so, without any further ado, let's get on going. But I also want to clarify that what works for me may not work for you because skincare is subjective. What works for me is minimalism. That is, I do not use a lot of products because my skin is very dry and sensitive. So, I do not use too many actives. What we are looking for in here is simple hydration and protection. So, if you are interested, in case you want to know, please continue watching. First up, I'm washing my face with a gentle face wash. This one is from Dot & Key, the Barrier Repair and Hydrating Gentle Face Wash. I'm washing my face for 60 seconds and then I am going on to the next step, which is cryotherapy. Now, what is cryotherapy, you want to know? Now, what is cryotherapy? Cryotherapy is simply icing your face. You may want to use an ice roller which you have kept overnight in your fridge, but in here I am using an ice wrapped up around a towel. Do not put the ice directly on your face. Cryotherapy wakes you up, reduces the puffiness of your face, your eyes, everything, and makes your skin lively, youthful, young and fresh. So you may also do it after gymming in case you want to do it. So in case you are doubtful about any of these steps, to consult a dermat before you go for it or do proper research. For toner, I'm taking the Pixie Rose Tonic by pixibeauty, and this has rose and elderflower extracts. It is an amazing nourishing toner for dry and flaky skin like mine. After toner, it is the time for face mists. Face mists are very essential in the winter months because of the harsh cold weather outside. It can create havoc on your skin and your skin goes super dry. That is the main concern of my skin. My skin type is extremely dry, so I'm always trying to keep it hydrated. For this, I'm taking the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, which is extremely hydrating, gives you a radiant, youthful appearance. Now, in case you're looking for a very affordable option, it will be the Advanced Snell 96 Mucin Power Essence. In case you are looking for more affordable options, I will try to list them down below in the description box. During the daytime, I stay away from any actives because as I told you, my skin is very sensitive and dry. So I'm taking the Foxtail Daily Hydrating Serum next, which is a hyaluronic acid serum. It also comes with a bisabolol, and this is extremely hydrating and is very important for a skin with broken barrier like my skin type. For under eyes, I'm using the under eye cream from Aqualogica. It really helps to reduce my dark circles and keeps my under eyes hydrated. You may want to omit the next step, which is a moisturizer, because by now your skin is very well hydrated. I'm taking the Lipids Skin Barrier Cream, which is paraben free and is very effective for broken skin barriers like mine. Lastly, after hydration, so many layers of it, I am ready for protection. So I'm taking the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream from Cosrx, which is again hydrating. Yes, it is. And then I'm sealing everything off. Do not forget the 3-finger rule and do not forget your neck and your ears as well. So I'm taking this and luxuriously applying it all over my face and waiting for everything to settle in. So in case you guys feel that your face is getting greasy by now, I would like to suggest that please omit 1 or 2 steps like the moisturizer and the face mist. Simply go from toning, then moisturizing directly to that hyaluronic acid serum, and then directly go for the sunscreen. Lastly, I'm sealing everything off with the lip oil from M Caffeine, and also later I'm applying some lip gloss from Rene Cosmetics, as you can see. So that is it. That is all my winter routine for you guys. That is my morning skincare routine all done. In case you liked it, do not forget to press on that like button and share and subscribe so that you can know of my upcoming videos. Also, I want to say guys, there is nothing like perfect skin. We do not want to achieve that, but there is definitely something called healthy skin, and there is no free lunch. You cannot get that skin without some effort, and that is what you need to do. You need to have a very healthy lifestyle like eating right, sleeping right and working out. that is all, guys. So you also do not forget to follow me on Instagram. All the links will be given in the description box below. And remember, skincare is subjective. What works for me may not work for you. So in that case, if you have a particular skin concern, do not forget to go to that dermat near you. Thank you.